So we're gonna take these cars, they call them colectivos, from here to Tulum. We in Playa de Carmel and going to Tulum. It's actually very cheap, maybe $2. So we're waiting and see, maybe, you know. Yeah. So people are taking these are colectivos. Instead of taking a taxi to Tulum, if you're in Playa, just take a colectivo. Colectivo just means collectively. So. So guys, we're going to one of the most famous cenotes in Mexico. It's called Cenote Azul. It's really famous, and you can even see like from where I am. It's super famous. So we're going down. So the entrance fee is $7 per person. It's per 2019. I don't know, maybe the time you're watching this video how much it will cost, but so far it's $7, but for kids it's $4. Okay, for kids. So this is how we're going to the cenotes. It's actually here. It's one famous cenote, but I have no idea why it's so famous. Like, yeah, and you pay $7. Yeah. So. Oh man, they're giving us some. Oh, this is fun. So like the one we have right from here, that's like a cenote. Yeah, it's so beautiful. But I believe there are too many of them, so all you have to do is just choose the one you can spend your time in. So we're in Tulum, you know? Yeah. Tulum. So first we just want to walk around just to know our environment. Then from there, you guys will just discover many things. So right there, actually they said no drones, like no drones, and I feel bad. So you see how these things are? They're like holes. So it's crazy holes. Baños, so you can go to the baños right here. To the toilets, that's baños. And these are cenotes. So there are many, it's like a village. So there's no smoking, and you keep the dirt right here. And right here, sorry, so there's no smoking right there, and that's not a soup. Too many, you see people over the other side right there. But just jumping into the waters. The water is super clean. See the guys over there? Yeah. So
¡Vamos, Laura! El último día salió la
So this seems like a perfect day over Cenote. The sun is really good. The weather is perfect. People are just enjoying their moments here. It's really, really good. Photos. I'd recommend you to buy a phone which is waterproof.
or come up with a GoPro or something like that, you see. The waters are super clear. Super. This is the sun. They want to swim, but they are afraid. Come on, go. She did it. It has been a good day, you know.